So I wanted to answer some questions about cold soaking fleeces while I'm waiting for water to boil on our stove. And while I'm still editing the hot scouring episode of our fleece washing. So one of the reasons I recommend a 24-hour cold soak before scouring is because I think it gets rid of a lot of the suet and dirt that does not require heat to remove. So in order to remove lanolin, you need water of a certain temperature. But you can remove a lot of the grime with a cold soak, and I find for beginners, this does help prevent a lot of felting or overwashing the fleece. You really can wash a fleece to death and take out all of the lovely qualities of raw fleece, the reasons we buy raw fleece, sort of the bounce and the life that's in it, if you do overwash it and overscour it. It's also a lot harder for a newbie to felt the fleece, in my opinion, if you pre-wash it in a cold soak, because there's just less grime to get out, and they're less inclined to agitate the fleece while it's hot.